Yung anak ni Glenda, si Mimi, nagtatrabaho doon sa Marble Con.
What is wrong with you?
Social work.
Teacher?
I'm going to on the lights. Okay.
Bukas.
Okay, the lights are now on.
Wait. My water juice.
Okay,
Sleep my
libre man
water.
ang
What? This gonna wait. It's so long to take
Victoria
this
Resort.
choice. Next hour later.
May swimming pool.
Okay, what is need to do in here?
Pasok, malayo
This
sa
pool.
Kabias.
Kanina pa, wala sila. Teacher ko,
Ganda.
classmate.
Paano mag-uwi ka na lang?
What? I don't miss that to see. Okay, I'll go.
JJ sabi niya,
Wait, my teacher.
You can go home, right?
Oh, yeah, that's good.
si JJ at saka si Hanelet.
Next hour later ulit. Wait, to school there. What I mean here? Teacher is there. Run back, guys.
What?
Run back in the school. The teacher is there. Ah! There's the teacher going to the school.
Brother, galing sa Marble. Tapos,
Here, the teacher. Wait. Ikaw daw ang teacher.
Okay, for now, class, this is our exam. Just wait. I'm going to get something. Today, you will learn ships. You will learn how to draw ships. And use this ship and then copy it. Okay? You can draw kahit
Teacher, can
What?
you please help me? I don't know how.
okay.
What first?
You can draw any kind of boat. Pwede.
What I will draw in there? I put that. Why is called then that? What's called that?
Kulang palagyan mo pa ng square dyan.
And no, I
Tapos
like some
submarine.
submarine.
Okay. Una, lagyan mo ng square dyan.
Pag ganon?
Oo.
Pag ganon?
Yes.
Ganyan?
Bawa ka lang ng square, tapos dyan pa. Palinya, papunta doon. Palinya doon. Tapos dyan. Ikot, papunta doon.
Okay,
Ganon.
teacher.
Tapos ganito pa ako na magsulat.
Inside the bed.
Inside, 1, 2, 3.
That's the bintana. And
Yes.
where's the door?
This.
Okay. And that's where the look and outside?
Oo. Dyan.
Okay.
Sige. Tapos lagyan pa natin. Wala na. Okay.
Next.
I-score ko na. I-score ko na. Hintay mo yung ito lang isang papel mo.
Opo. Lagyan mo. Anong ilagay mo, sir?
Makita mo lang. Later. Done with the score. She's gonna be happy about this. Okay? You get A plus and then 10 score.
Yay, thanks, teacher.
And then we're now done for the day. And then let's go
I want
home.
some water. Give me my pen there.
Okay. Here you go.
Thanks.
Okay, now let's go home.
Okay. That was a great one, sir.
Okay. Bye. Una na ako.
Bye. Tomorrow.
How was school? Dali, nasundo na kita. Now let's go home.
Thanks.
Okay.
Hey, teacher. We're just walking.
Okay, you're not going home. Okay, bye.